everyone sleeping.
Hi there guys, we're going somewhere today and Baby C and Daddy is playing right now with the Ryan toys.
Yes, hi. Hi.
Let's escape and Coco.
Coco Panda.
So you have the Ryan toys here from Dubai. Coco Panda together with Ryan and Cozy. Am I right? This one is Cozy?
Oh,
With
What is
the
the name?
kitchen here inside. He cooked Panda. Oh no!
Oh no. Coco Panda.
And we will go to SM. We will buy bullet later for the Nerf gun.
yeah, this.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. How many bullet?
Um,
How many bullets we will buy?
100.
Oh,
100
bullet.
100 pieces of bullet daw.
100 bullet.
100 bullet?
Okay, so goodbye to our vlog.
In.
See you later, guys. Bye.
See you later.
Siyempre, ito na ang simula ng gastos. Ng banding namin. Kaya naman pumunta kami Mauwa para naman maranasan namin na mag-bumper car together. Ang mahal na pala ngayon ng ticket, ano. Tara na.
Are you ready, Baby Z?
Sure.
Are you ready for the bumper car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here comes our baby C, choosing his car. Kala mo talaga marunong siya mag-drive.
Seatbelt mo siya.
Simula na ang panggaan. Boom! Ito talaga yung moment na mamimiss mo talaga yung Pinas eh. Kasama mo yung anak mo, magbabanding kayo. Hi! Pero bakit parang ang mami at daddy ang nag-e-enjoy?
See that?
Okay. Oh, you go na, nanay. Eh, later. Come na, come.
Nanay, nanay.
We will buy bullet now. We will buy bullet now. Dali, dali, dali. There you go. Come. You happy?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Nice driving.
Yeah.
Very good.
I drive and I push you.
Yeah, I push you, push me. Oh no. Saya na siya.
Nanay.
Oh, it's working.
Oh.
Working. Look, I should come. Everyone, shoot everybody. Yeah!
You happy?
Yes,
How many toys you buy today?
I got, I got.
Oh, so many.
I got.
Mommy will go back to buy?
I want couple airplane.
Oh, yeah. Next time, Mommy will buy that one, okay?
Oh, look. No, wait, build like that one.
Okay.
It's real.
So we need to build more.
I need like that one.
Okay.
Why is you flying?
Okay.
I need to build that one.
Hi there, guys. Welcome to the farm. To Baby C Farm. Tay, ganun
I'm
ka.
gonna
Sarap.
fish fly.
Yeah. Yan. Wow. Is this your farm? Where's your farm? Only little farm, ha? Not all. Okay? When you go big, what? Big na? You plant more trees, more vegetables here, okay? Oy, okay?
Yeah.
On the next day, we decided to visit the farm lot na kung saan, sabi namin, it's time to make another investment habang bata pa
Mamaya
tayo.
na yan.
May palikotok, no?
Pag sa tabla.
Ayun yung windmill. See? Welcome to the mountain. Farmland. That's all. And we go. Hi there guys. Hi Watch on TV. We are now here in Cavite. And we are planning to go to Baguio. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Oh, funny!
Wala nga trash pwede.
Yeah, he's playing the transformer right now. Where are we going?
The mountain.
Yes, we're going to the mountain by Baby Z as requested.
Yeah.
So we will do vlog tomorrow once there's a sunset, okay? Okay, we'll do vlog, okay? Okay. So ayun guys, update na namin kayo mamaya kapag kami ay palis na. As we check, siguro 4 a.m. or 6 a.m. 4 to 6 a.m. makakarating na kami ng Baguio. So, see you later, mga kawarchon! Close mo na yung vlog ni Mami. Packing up our things. We bring some banana, one luggage, and other things. Ayan na. And ito na ang forma niya. Ayan. Nagkobra na siya, boy. Dahil...
Malayo yung biyahe.
Saan mag-drive? No? Yes? Alis ka sa anak mo? May content? Ikaw?
Eh di wow.
Wala kang naitulong. Kumaka dun. So, ayan. Yung content creator ko ngayon. So, siya yung mag-vlog pagdating ng Baguio later. Welcome to our room.
Ganda nga ako. Kita sa labas mo. Nakita sila. Open room mo. Ganda.
This is the bathtub.
Yeah. What up?
This is the room.
Kibi.
Like.
Busy. Wow.
Naka-arrange ba?
Nice nila.
Basa. Oh, basa. Ay! Wako. Mamadali ka kasi eh.
You wanna be there?
Huh?
We died here.
They are all sleeping.
Hi.
Where are we now?
At the
Mountain?
table.
Yeah. So where do you want to go later?
To the band.
You do vlog.
The my toys. My toys are back and it's keepy it off. And it's like mommy. There's the acorn. The main one.
Okay, take 2.
Mommy. And it's Sibina. And it's milk. If I give milk, there's the toys. There's a TV.
Where's your mommy?
And mommy right there. Me, right there. And the mommy. And a big everyone sleeping. There's an acorn in a back room. Right. Acorn. Oh my God. I did a hurt. Did is the hurt. Did and a mommy right there. And there's a zipper. And there's a bowl. this one, this one. You, this one. Escape.
Close the camera. The camera, here the camera. Tinignan niya palang ayaw niya na.
May parehas na naman yun.
Hi to my vlog! Hi!
Ako lumubog tayo dito. Pinaka-best experience siguro sa pag tayo na lumubog dito.